It looks like a lake back there.
Well, a half mile from the cabin, we're out on our, what we call our meadow, which seems to be frozen solid. This was all water because of the beaver dam.
Almost to my knees.
So it looks like we can bring the snow machine down, maybe the four-wheeler first, and groom some trail. Well, what you're looking at here is a beaver lodge. They got in here and built this, and then kind of dammed up across here. It's hard to see now, but dammed up and created this frozen lake for us. And we do appreciate it because it's going to make cutting trail so much easier this year.
That is solid.
Mud and sticks.
We should build an emergency shelter out of mud and sticks. I bet we
Well,
could.
it would work, yeah. And we're
The beavers don't immigrate into our beaver lodge.
yeah.
Oh, human lodge.
Immigrate?
You know, move in
Oh,
to our own lodge.
you mean
And-
migrate?
Well, immigrate.
Well, yeah.
immigrants.
6 of 1.
Yeah. You know what I meant.
A pole?
A pole.
Oh. Oh, that looks like a beaver chewed birch. No,
That's the
rotten.
one that's crossed out there, I think, isn't it?
No.
Oh.
That's a rotted out one that's broken off.
Oh yeah, the one that fell is.
Actually on the trail.
Yeah.
Okay, we're trapped in here.
Oh.
Very hard to walk with all this tea.
Smells good, like Labrador tea.
Yeah.
You want me to break that out in front of you?
Nah. As long as I don't step on something slick and go down onto a sharp stick.
You're a poet and you know it.
We kind of took a turn thinking that we were going in the right direction, but discovered that we were way off the mark. So we had to find our way back through the forest. And now we're out on the trail at the beaver lodge.
She went through a whole set already. Woo! Look, look! Queen of the hill! Oh wait, would that be Queen of the Damned?
I don't know.
What are you doing up there? Well, it's not a dam, it's a beaver lodge. Queen of the lodge. Lodge queen. Oh no, she still has one booty on. I'm trying to make a snow angel. Okay, honey, you have to help me up.
Okay, well, your snow angel lasted a few seconds. Takani, come on. Go, move, move.
Go, baby. Ooh, is that him?
Yeah.
He's snarling at her?
Yeah.
Yeah, my snow angel's gone. Oh, well, I tried. Oh,
It looked really good until he got here.
oh, puppies. Oh, puppies. Oh.
Well, it's Sunday morning, and temperatures have risen into the low 20s, and we're prepping to go out and groom some trail.
Are they going through the trees or just out the fence?
No, we're going through the trees.
Then these two can't come.
Yeah, I know. That's why I
too far
said,
away.
yeah.
Well, this should be fun, getting him in here.
Give him a treat. Make it a real treat.
He won't. Have you done that before? Watch
Yeah.
him toss it because he knew what we were doing?
No, I meant a biscuit.
Okay, come on.
Oh, the dogs are a matter to
Want a
be
treat? Let's go. Treat.
contended with.
Come on, Lupa, do you want a treat? Get a treat.
Well, grooming trail with the four-wheeler was a bust. We got out into the meadow, and all of a sudden, four-wheeler started missing really bad, and we wound up in first gear coming all the way back, which took us a while. So now I've got to find out just what the problem is. Main channel of the river is slowing down. We are really near jam up, and of course, water beginning to come up just a little bit, and we have overflow here. Hopefully it will not come up any further than that. Well, we brought the four-wheeler out, and wishing now we had brought the snow dog, because the four-wheeler, I do believe, has carburetor problems. But we did find a beaver chewed birch, and we cut that up, so we're going to haul it back, plus stop and get a little further up. There's some nice dead standing.
Hey, pup, let's go.
Oh, I am. I just wanted to make sure this thing would start. Well, good morning, everybody. It's November the 6th, and we have jam up. The river jammed up during the night last night, and the water really came up as a result of it. Lots of overflow. We did take yesterday, and we got my boat a little further up on the bank, thank goodness, along with the inflatable over there, which when we walked down yesterday, the back of this boat was underwater. And thank goodness it was all slush. And the inflatable was, well, the skag of the engine and the prop were in the slush. So we were able to pull these boats on up and prevent a disaster. But we do have jam up. That happened during the night last night. So now things can freeze up because we have colder weather on its way. Well, it's Friday, and we're ending this first week of November by venturing out and gathering up firewood that we cut earlier. As I reported previously, we've had jam up, and now things are really beginning to freeze up. Colder temperatures moving in. And in an earlier video, we showed you that this was a beaver dam and was an ice lake which backed the water all the way up to the beaver lodge and created a nice frozen lake for us, making it really easy to get around this year. Well, thanks everybody for watching. We've got a beautiful Saturday going on today, and we're prepping for this next week. We'll be leaving out every morning, going out to Groom Trail, and that'll take us a couple of days to see if we're even going to be able to go from start to finish. So be sure and join us this next week as we head out into the wilderness. That trail also leads us to one of our prime firewood gathering spots. But for the most part, we've got everything ready to go. So if you would, like this video, subscribe to the channel, be sure and share it if you would. And don't forget to leave us a comment. Catch you next time.